Are you looking for a home with charm, character, and a turret? What if I told you it also had 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, new carpet, fresh paint, and a huge garage? I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and I'm excited to present our newest property at 1121 Millersville Avenue in the heart of Howard's Grove. This neighborhood blends small-town charm with convenience. You're close to shops, schools, and community staples, all while enjoying that peaceful, friendly vibe HG is known for. And trust me, this house has stories to tell. Inside, the main level gives you a huge living room, a bright eat-in kitchen, first floor laundry, and a main level primary suite with a walk-in closet and its own full bath. Plus, there's another bedroom and a convenient full bath right on the main floor. And yes, everything feels fresh, thanks to new carpet and paint throughout. Upstairs, you've got 3 more spacious bedrooms and another full bath, and don't miss that turret space. It's something straight out of a fairy tale, and it's perfect for a reading nook. Downstairs, a full basement with a walkout, emergency toilet, and tons of storage. Outside, you've got a brand new deck, a fully fenced yard, over 15 different fruit trees and bushes, and a garage with room for all your cars, toys, and tools. You name it, it's gonna fit in here. I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and if you're into historic homes with modern updates and space to spread out, this is one you've got to see in person.